This how to 1 minute will show you how to upload SVG files in Elementor. As you can see right now, I'm in Elementor page editor. I want to upload a SVG icon to this column. So here's I'm clicking on this plus icon, and in the search widget box I'm typing here icon, and let's add icon box. And now I will add my SVG icon here. So here click on icon box and click on upload SVG. Click on enable and click on upload files, select files, and I'm selecting my SVG file here. As you can see, the SVG file has been uploaded. Now select it and click on insert media, and that's how we can easily upload SVG file in Elementor. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.